Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tik. So today I'm going to show you how to change location in your TikTok application, and this feature is only available on latest version of TikTok application. So nowadays this TikTok is most popular entertainment application for all over the world, and it is available for both Android and iOS devices. But most of the people are worrying because if we try to watch these TikTok videos, all the video languages are different, which means that unknown languages, and it is hard to understand the video language. So to avoid this kind of problems, in few days back they launched the one special feature. So by using this feature, you can easily watch your regional language videos. So how to access it? So let's get started. So first of all, open your TikTok application and then complete login or sign up processes. Now in this homepage section, in bottom it shows some icons, but you can press me icon and the final one, and then it shows my profile section. So here you can press that vertical three dot icon, and it is placed at the almost top of right side corner, and then it shows some account related settings, but you can go to manage my account and the first one. So here you can select region. So and then it shows lots of country names, so you can choose your particular native region. So here I try to select India. So once your selection process is completed, now your videos are starts to playing by based on your region. So this is the way you can easily change your TikTok video location by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tik, and thanks for watching.